Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys what I got in my inserts. Hopefully it's pretty decent, but I'm here to share with you guys. Sorry, my family's up, so you can hear kid backgrounds. But here we got the emergency probiotics. Free Hellmann's ketchup when you buy the mayonnaise. That's a pretty good coupon, and I'm hoping there's a deal on Ibotta still for that. Here we got $1 off kids. It looks like they're going to be changing up their labels a little bit. We have all these Dove degree coupons. These are just worthless. Worthless. That's all I got. Like, look how lame that is. That's just the stupidest thing. Here we got Bic. I love Bic. $1 off mechanical pencils and then $1 off any stationery product. And these expire the 9th of September, so you'll start seeing stuff go on clearance. Almond, Nut Thin, Blue Diamond crackers. Here we got Poison Depends. Country Hearth bread. I used to eat that bread like crazy when I was a kid. Ragu. Here we got White Castle Prime Fresh. Never heard of that. We got your $1 off toothbrushes. 50 cents off of Colgate. $3 off any 17-ounce bag and strip. Sargento cheese. More checks. Here we got Pediasure. $7 off of 2. Worthless ads. I don't care about buying a shirt. I can go on a different website. Here we got some Florida Crystals. This is a great coupon, $2 off Colgate, and then we got the $2 off 2-pack of toothbrushes. So that is it. Husband's going to like these Harbor Freight coupons. So we got that for him. And then here is my brand, the P&G brand saver. Now, I never get the Tide, so you guys are just going to know exactly what I get. I'm just kind of going to go briefly because everybody gets the same coupons for this, which I like. I wish everybody could get the Tide coupons, but can't control that. Ooh, a kids section. That's kind of cool. 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents off of kids. Here we got $1 off Crest. $1 off Tampax. Always. Lots of Old Spice. Secret Gillette. $1 off. Not the greatest coupon, but here we got $3 off the razors. And then a $2 off. Now this is a weird coupon. $2 off, but it's like written differently. That's kind of cool. And then we got Dawn. And here's that free plug-in oil warmer. And then buy one free Febreze, get one free. That's a good coupon. That fresh pressed apple looks delicious. Yep, there's my Tide coupons. It's awesome. And you guys, only if you print them that day, you have till that day to use them. That's how ridiculous it is. So here we got Puffs. Gain. Here's $5 off. $1 off. More diapers. There's a great deal with diapers. Oh, 2 bags. Never mind. And that is it. So that is what is in my inserts. I just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.